44 na ako at hindi ako nagpo-botox. Alam mo kung bakit? Because I never skip sunscreen. Kahit nasa bahay lang, kahit maulap, kahit tinatamad. Wrinkles don't start at 50. They start when you keep skipping protection in your 30s and 40s. Ilan na din yung na-try kong sunscreen pero ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Kasi feeling ko ang glowing ko dito. Itong Hikari Ultra Fresh Sunscreen. Super lightweight siya, hindi malagkit, walang white cast, perfect sa weather natin. At madali lang siyang i-blend, lalo na kung nagmamadali ka. At 44, hindi ko kailangang itago yung edad ko kasi inaalagaan ko yung skin ko. If you're 40 and above, stop investing in expensive anti-aging. Hindi naman kailangang mahal, kailangan lang consistent. Protect your skin every day. After ilang minutes, nagsettle na siya sa skin. O diba, nakaka-glow? Nilagay ko na yung link sa caption.